The House Transportation Committee continued hearings on the sinking of MV Trisha Kirsten 3, which killed 65 passengers and left 14 others missing. Mobile Journal Amy Atienza has this report.
The House Transportation Committee continued talks on MV Trisha Kirsten 3, where several congressmen expressed their dismay after casualties reached 65 people dead and 14 people missing. The ship sank in the waters off Basilan after departing Zamboanga City for Holosulu.
Ang trahedyang sinapit ng pamilyang sakay ng MV Trisha Kirsten 3 ay hindi isang act of nature but a man-made disaster born from criminal negligence.
Kasi sa tingin ko, the way things are running, parang walang saktong koordinasyon. And parang walang tao on the ground.
The committee, alongside Philippine Coast Guard, discussed more on the rescue operations, as well as the locations where bodies are recovered and the compensations made by stakeholders. PCG also noted that they had constraints upon getting the exact location of the ship, which only occurred 8 to 9 days after the tragedy. Commodore Oliver Tanseco said that technology was a crucial factor on the determination of the ship's location.
Ito po'y beyond sa technical capabilities ng mga Coast Guard search and rescue operators po natin on the ground, including our divers. Kasi po ito pumasok na po sa limit ng maximum allowable depth for a trained divers to go in. Kailangan na po ng technical o diver po natin.
Likewise, PCG already imposed administrative sanctions to its members, including the dismissal without honor of 4 involved personnel. In an inspection made by the Coast Guard Inspector General Internal Affairs Service, the MV Trisha Kirsten 3 team leader and 3 other members are charged with gross neglect of duty.
Doon po sa presentation po kanina, ito po ay administrative sanction, administrative penalties po ito. Ang Philippine Coast Guard po, tama ka po, pareho po kami sa military justice system ng ating pong AFP. Meron po kaming sariling code of conduct.
Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.